What should we do about Wikipedia? Should we open Wikipedia sites? Noah here has a digital notebook about India, and he has a question: does India have separation between church and state? But when he did a Google search on that question, the first 3 articles were Wikipedia articles. Is it okay to open those Wikipedia articles in new tabs? How do we use Wikipedia sites? Let's open this Wikipedia article and find out. First of all, every Wikipedia article has text that you can read about this topic, and the text may or may not be accurate. But what will be accurate is the structure of information that you'll see in the table of contents. So in the table of contents, you'll be able to see interesting aspects of every topic that is discussed in a Wikipedia article. In this article, which is about the separation between church and state, the table of contents actually has many countries that it discusses when it talks about the separation between church and state, but India is not among them. How else can we use this Wikipedia article? Well, first of all, it has a lot of great vocabulary words. So Noah can copy and paste great vocabulary words like secularism, is a good vocabulary word, into his digital notebook and use that word to write new search questions like, does India have secularism, or is India a secular state? The other thing that every Wikipedia article has is lots and lots of links. So every blue word in a Wikipedia article will, if you click on it, will take you to a different site that discusses this topic, like religious pluralism. If we wanted to know about religious pluralism, we could go to this link and see a Wikipedia site about religious pluralism. The bottom of every table of contents also has some interesting things. See also, which is other related topics, references, and further readings and external links. So let's go to references. These are the references that the people who wrote this article used. So these are their sources. Now that could mean that the reading level of these sources is very, very high. We could go to further reading. Further reading is typically off computer, and maybe you would go to the library to see these. Or you can go to external links. So these are links out of Wikipedia, but they're still on the internet. The other thing that Wikipedia often has, and this particular site does have, is additional links to look at. So for example, even though this Wikipedia site doesn't have India in its table of contents, it does have a freedom of religion side to it, and it has status by country. So I can click show and see a list of countries and go to India and get to an article about freedom of religion in India. Now I can read specifically about freedom of religion in India. So even though we can't reference Wikipedia articles in our research, in our research papers in school, we can use Wikipedia to set the context for our learning, to help us find other more academic sites on the internet and in the library, and especially to help us harvest great new vocabulary words that will help us write better search questions.